Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace that armrest lid on BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2000, 2005 to 2013. You can see we removed the console because we have to do other work as well, and we decided to show you how to remove the armrest lid with the whole mechanism if yours is not working. Okay, you can see you have the button on the front. Okay, you can open in 2 different positions, but unfortunately you don't see any screws or anything like that here. So how you remove that thing? You don't have to pull the whole console out of the way. All you have to do is remove that back piece, and it has only 4 clips holding it. Okay, one here, and 2 on the side. This one and the one over here. Now once you remove it, okay, you can get access to the armrest on the back side. And I forgot to mention guys, we have more than 200 videos taking this BMW apart, so please subscribe, and if you need anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So with a small Phillips head screwdriver, okay, we're going to punch that metal piece out. Okay, you can see like that. I'll leave it in for now, because we need to do the same thing to the other one. And those could come out really hard. Okay, so pour that plastic with your finger here, so it doesn't break. Just gently tap with a small hammer or the pliers, but don't use enormous amount of force. You can see it started coming out, but this one is tighter than the other one. That doesn't do the trick. Bigger screwdriver and a bigger hammer. Okay, so okay, you can see it went in. Now with a small screwdriver, we'll push it all the way out. And once it jumps those teeth right here that go in the plastic, you can just pull it out. Pull the one on the other side. Remember how they go in. Okay, and you can pull the whole armrest, okay, with the whole mechanism out of the way, just like that. We removed ours because we're going to paint our console. All that will be painted with original BMW paint. You can check out the video. And when you're ready to install it, all you have to do, make sure you get it in, align the holes later, okay, and push those metal things in all the way, okay. And this thing should be towards the outside. It needs to get stuck in this plastic here. So this will be the whole procedure guys, not very complicated at all. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and if you need help with the console or anything like that, we took quite a few videos taking everything apart. So please subscribe, many more videos to come, and see you next time.